Hey guys, we are on the home stretch, so I'm very grateful that this is almost done. So I'll aim this down a bit so you can kind of see what we're working with. But yeah, basically all that's left to do now is just pick the stuff up off the floor. So what I'm going to do is like kind of make a couple of piles, I guess. So I've got some things that need to go in the bathroom, and yeah, that's kind of it. So I'm just going to start grabbing, and yeah, you can just watch, I guess. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna need to make a little bit of room before we keep going so that I can get like over here where I need to go. So I kind of just put things into like pretty basic categories. So all of these things here, these are all my eyeshadow palettes, and I literally have run out of room, which is why I'm in desperate need of like new storage and stuff, but I mean that's something for another day. So I think for my eyeshadow palettes, I honestly think for now that they're just going to have to sit in the corner of the room, just under the desk. Like I can put them away neatly. I can probably fit some of them away, like the smaller ones. But my big like P. Louise palettes and stuff, they just don't, like they're just not fitting at the moment. Yeah, so I'm just gonna tuck these just behind me. Just for now, like, you know, it's not going to be forever, and I feel like it should be give me a little bit of motivation to get my bum into gear so that I can hurry up and like redo the room. I could probably do it now, but I'm trying to be a bit smart with my finances coming into like Christmas season and everything. So I'm just kind of waiting it out, I guess. I reckon these ones can go away, so I'll put these ones, they're a little bit smaller, so I can put those away soon, but for now I'm just going to sit them all over there. These Powerpuff Girls little box, I need to film a unboxing on TikTok, so I'm just going to sit that to the side so that I know to like film that in a couple of days, or whenever I do my TikToks next. This stuff needs to be taken out, there's a few things to be put in the drawers. These candles just need to go back out to like my candle area. So yeah, I'll just quickly make some room so that I can move and we can get over to this side because that's where I need to go next. So yeah, I'll do that now. Okay, that's pretty good. So I'm just going to quickly run, these are all of my brushes that need to get cleaned. I'm going to run them out to the bathroom. I'm going to take the rubbish out, take the last couple of things out, and then all that's left to do is vacuum, and we're going to be done, which is just, wow, so exciting. So yeah, I'm going to do that quickly now. Okay guys, we are done. I just need to vacuum, but I'll do that off camera. But yeah, I can't believe I can actually move around my room again. Like, that is just so nice. But yeah, I am really wanting to redo the studio soon. I just need a few more pieces of furniture. And I kind of want to redo the setup a little bit, but that's something for another day. For now, I'm just glad that I can actually move. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.